Fast startup in Windows. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. This video shows how to enable fast startup in Windows, a feature that can speed up your computer's boot time, saving you daily time. Enjoy these types of videos on the channel. We've got more related content. Subscribe and hit that like button. I'm always making videos to help you out. Alright folks, let's get started. This works on both Windows 10 and 11. In the search bar below, type Control Panel. I typed Control Panel and it showed up in my language. Just click Open. Now click on Power Options with the battery icon. Power Options. In the sidebar, look for Choose Power Button Functions. Next, click here. Change Settings Currently Unavailable. Enable these options below, folks. If it's disabled for you, check this option. It helps start the PC faster after shutdown. You can change options like Sleep and Hibernate in the Power menu. After choosing options, click Save at the bottom. That's it. Any questions? Leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care. God bless. Thanks.